Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my hair serum with fenugreek seed, black seed and horsetail plants. Fenugreek seed possesses conditioning properties. It reduces dryness and makes your hair soft. I've been using the tea and I can tell you that fenugreek seed is just the seed for me. Cloves works, but not all the time that you use cloves. I'm sure most of you don't know the magic in fenugreek seed. So I want you to try this serum yourself and make sure you use a lot of fenugreek because you are going to see results. And then also for black seed, it helps in promoting hair health, it reduces hair loss and also help with dandruff. And then it helps in keeping the hair moisturized. Hair needs to be moisturized all the time, so you need black seed. Then horsetail plant is one plant that most people do not know that this plant, like, it does magic to your hair. It does magic to the hair because it helps in your hair strength, it helps in reducing hair loss, and it helps in reducing hair dryness and helps to strengthen your hair follicles and so many other benefits. So these are the three things I'm going to be using today. I'm also going to be using my olive oil, and then I have my castor oil. So let's get straight to it. So firstly, I have my clay mixing bowl here. Then I'm going to be adding my olive oil. Then I'll be mixing my horsetail plant. I'll be using so much of it. So after pouring my horsetail plants, I will then add 1 tablespoon of my black seed. Then I'll be adding my fenugreek. I blended it. I'll be adding it. So after pouring my blended fenugreek seed, I will start to stir so that I will mix everything together. Then I'm going to be adding my essential oil, that is my palm kernel oil. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of it. I'll add 1 tablespoon of palm kernel oil. Then I'll add my cloves and moringa oil, also 1 tablespoon. So I'm also going to be adding half tablespoon of my castor oil. So I've added all my oils. I'm going to stir. So my water is boiling. It has boiled to 100 degrees. So this is my boiling water. So I'm going to place my mixture into the water and I'll continue to stir. I'm going to leave it here for 30 minutes for the oil to absorb into the seeds and other oil to mix smoothly. It's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to be taking this off the fire and I'll place it and allow it to cool for a few hours. So guys, it's been 7 hours. So our oil is ready and I'm going to be straining it to extract just my oil. Guys, can you look at the consistency? So thick, guys. Just imagine this oil in your hair. You are going to so love it. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this oil, and if you have tried it, also let me know in the comment section how you feel about the oil. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.